The Serter ecosystem includes the EAS, Emergency Alert System, where you can set up HTTP addresses for the EAS module. Set up the EAS crawl FTP by entering the FTP server address and username and password. Set up HTTP audio by entering the HTTP audio link in the Add Serter settings window. Also set up GPIO 1 and 2 to control the duration of EAS audio and crawl text in the live stream. Select the scroll text, font, size, color, speed, position and transparency. Edit the HTTP audio link and FTP server links as set in DAWs deck. Edit the interface by entering UDP source destination addresses. Also enter program number, select video codecs and enter total bitrate. Within Send Alerts, set events, timings, locations, contents and audio for alerts to be inserted, and click on Send Alerts to send alert text. Preview the generated alert message added to the live stream through the output window. Comprehensive customization to your needs is possible. So get your Serter at info@DVEO.com.